All for you, baby, all for you. All for you, oh, baby, all for you. Oh my God, it's freaking cold.
This is a review of Irish cream.
Yo, hey,
Kid baby.
yo, hey, yo. Exclusive on them. Yo. Morning, guys. What's up? It's your boy Exclusive, and I'm back again with a new video. Today we are going to do a tour video. Okay. I think we should get to it. What do you think? But I just woke up. First, let me do my brushing, okay?
Listen, nigga, say nigga.
Kid baby.
Okay, guys, I'm done. Guys, I think I need to reaching. Okay, so first thing, let's get to the canteen. Okay, let me grab something and eat, and then we start the actual tour. Okay. Hi, Charlie. This is 8 a.m. but look at where the sun is. Charlie, you know what's
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
for know what you did. Here's the canteen, and I want to go inside there and then get something and eat.
Slay queen, share, I send you. Betty my own rice and stew. Ha, ha, Rassi, that ben I'm a summer to come here, no. Just a mommy soon, I brand it, toss me to salute, do. Yeah, go to Instagram, thank you, followers coming, do. Maybe I'm a brother, what I do, yeah.
A few moments later.
All for you, baby, all for you. All for you, oh, baby, all for you. I will take you on that. All for you. Oh, Charlie, you know what's wrong? Huh? This is what we go through doing a vlog video. I'm on country here. Okay, as you can see, here is more or less like a free zone area. Okay, that's where the work is. All what you are seeing is my work side. Okay, and here is the entrance to the accommodation. Ladies and gentlemen, let's begin. Building you are seeing just right in front of the entrance is actually our indoor basketball. Okay, this is an indoor basketball area. Let's go inside, let's check it out. Okay. Oh my God, at this moment it's really dark. Okay, I'm trying to turn the lights on.
Stop it. Get some help.
So here is our indoor basketball court. I think we should wait for the light to come on.
A few moments later.
Guys, after some little running and you finally lighten up. Oh my god! Wow! Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. Unfortunately, I never came here. But it's a cool place, you know, a cool place for a music video. What do you guys think? Let's check out the next place. Finally, I'm outside. So all what you see are various blocks for all those who are working. Yeah, my block is this one, block 1, and I think we have almost up to honestly I don't know, it's a whole lot of blocks. Okay, a whole lot of blocks. And over here too, there we have our mosque, just this one, and then other blocks over here. I think the next place we should go is our TV room, which is just this one. So here we are. Here is our TV room, okay, and we have just the same thing, almost like 4 in this block. We have one that is for Saudi, we have Filipino, we have Africans. You know, I understand them, they don't want anyone to start a fight, so I have never been here, okay? I have never been here. I just come and watch. And here is also for Sri Lanka, Nepal, Indian. Party badaliya sala. We are a whole lot here. Okay, everyone is here. So guys, here is the TV room. As you can see, sorry about the echo. Okay, no food or beverage allowed. Okay, I think we should check up the next place we should check up is the gym. Yeah, so here is also another block. Over there, then over here, a whole lot. Oh my god, sorry guys, I think the gym is closed. I think I'm going to make a different video on this next time when I come and it's open. Okay, for now it is closed, so let me show you something. Even though we have an indoor basketball, we also have an outdoor one. Okay, it's like they're doing everything for introverts and extroverts and everyone. Those who like to do things privately and stay inside and not to be watched and all that. So here is our basketball court alongside with the volleyball court, should I say. Okay, so here it is, pretty solid. I have never seen anyone playing here ever since I came. There haven't been anyone on this pitch, sorry, on this court I should say. Why do I keep saying pitch? Few more blocks. So many blocks I can't even count. And the canteens are over there. So yeah, let's check out the pool and then the game room. Ta-da! Okay, so we are here now. Here's the pool. I'm gonna get back to you. I'm coming. And here is the game room.
What's up with them girl with them Irish cream? Girl won't come wake up me self-esteem. Go black, turn up the man, them come up. She good around here, she a call me speed. London girl got me charming things and I'm queen things. What a problem this? Indian girl want show me some elephant elegant. Don't make she indeed when she bubble up. Big fat booty when she turn around. American girl wanna come around. This Chinese girl what she talking?
Pool table, okay, and then we have table tennis, and then we have that. So as you can see, here is our game room. Well, I think it's pretty much nice, very nice, as you can see. Okay, now my favorite part, let's go and check out the pool. Okay guys, so here is the pool. We have a shower here where anybody can just shower before getting into the pool. This pool is deep, very, very deep. What do you think? Something is tempting me, but I think we just have to do it. Okay, I feel like swimming.
Wow! Very dangerous!
Oh man, shit, very cold. I'm just gonna swim there and then come back. Okay, very cool. I can't believe I'm just doing this all for the vlog. Oh my god, it's freaking cold, but I think my body is getting used to the coldness. One more time. No problem. Oh. Okay guys, I have to end the video because they just cautioned me. Okay, I'm outside now. Whew. But that was great, pretty nice. Whoa. Yeah, I'm back to my blog. Ta-da! I'm back. So tired. I wish I could do more of this, but right now I'm exhausted. I think I'll catch you guys later. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? Thank you very much. Now I have to sleep. That's what we do.
This is a review of Irish cream.
Yo. Hey.
Kid baby.
Yo. Yeah. Exclusive man them. Yeah. Hey. What's up with them girl with them Irish cream?